Onende.
Eze kwesịrị nwa, one of ụmụ ojii. Eze.
Udo dịrị gị, mama.
Ya dịkwara gị mma nwoke ọma.
You're welcome.
Ujunwa.
No, kabute goche.
Ngwa. Mama. Hey.
Eze, I brought seat for you. Yes.
I'm comfortable here, Mama. It's good. Mama Kedu?
I am fine now.
How are you feeling at the moment?
My son, God is good.
I can see that. You know, Junwa here constantly told me about your health and how you're faring. But I can see for myself that you're getting better.
Yes, so I am gradually getting better.
I'm happy to see that, Mama.
Thank you very much.
Very happy to see that. Junwa Kedu?
You're welcome.
Mama.
What do we offer you?
Nothing for today. Rather, I got a little something for you. Yes. Mama? Mama, this is 200,000 naira. I can see you're getting better, but I want you to continue to manage this and buy drugs.
Is it not too much?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.